Benefits of olive oil for men's health. Do you think it's possible that extra virgin olive oil can offer a myriad of health benefits such as aiding infertility, enhancing libido, preventing specific types of cancer, promoting fat loss, safeguarding the heart, and much more? If so, how exactly does this phenomenon occur? Let's delve into the research to understand. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Studies suggest that inflammation plays a pivotal role in various chronic ailments, and the antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties present in olive oil may mitigate inflammation, thereby potentially treating or lowering the risk of such diseases. Some advantages associated with the use of olive oil encompass its ability to Benefit 1. Increasing bone health and strength. Research suggests that inflammation within the body can contribute to bone deterioration. Polyphenol, known for their anti-inflammatory properties, have been indicated in studies to potentially stimulate bone formation and inhibit bone breakdown. One study investigating the impact of olive oil consumption on bone microarchitecture found that individuals with the highest olive oil intake exhibited increased bone density. Benefit 2. Boosting cardiovascular health. Studies indicate that individuals adhering to a Mediterranean diet, which includes a daily intake of at least 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, have a reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases such as stroke and heart attack. Furthermore, their risk of heart disease-related mortality is reportedly 30% lower compared to those following a low-fat diet. Additionally, incorporating extra virgin olive oil into one's diet is believed to aid in enhancing cholesterol levels and lowering blood pressure. An easy method to include extra virgin olive oil in your diet is by substituting it for fats and oils high in saturated fats. Benefit 3. Reducing the risk of certain cancers. Were you aware that cancer incidence tends to be lower in Mediterranean regions? This phenomenon may be attributed to their consumption of extra virgin olive oil, which studies indicate could induce alterations in gut bacteria linked to the prevention of colorectal cancer. Benefit 4. Supporting a healthy immune system. In a particular study, it was discovered that the consumption of 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil daily correlated with increased growth and activation of T cells, immune cells responsible for targeting foreign particles or invaders. Some researchers also speculate that olive oil consumption might potentially exert a beneficial effect in combating infection from COVID-19. Benefit 5. Treating erectile dysfunction. Are you aware that there is research indicating that olive oil could be as effective as, or possibly even superior to, Viagra? Recent studies suggest that consistent consumption of olive oil may enhance male sexual performance. A study conducted by the University of Athens revealed that consuming 9 tablespoons of olive oil over a week could potentially reduce the risk of erectile dysfunction by up to 40%. It is suggested that this effect is attributed to olive oil's ability to maintain healthy blood vessels and promote optimal blood circulation. Benefit 6. Improving sperm count and boost in libido. Research indicates that male fertility contributes to approximately 50% of total infertility cases, and this figure is consistently rising. Additionally, studies suggest that vitamin E present in extra virgin olive oil is associated with enhancing sperm count and motility. This is achieved by protecting the sperm's membrane from oxidative damage. Moreover, incorporating extra virgin olive oil into the diet of infertile men has been demonstrated to enhance libido by significantly increasing testosterone levels, the primary male sex hormone. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.